So as you can see, this pipework's a mess. Look at the state of it. Can you see all that? That pump, how that pump ever works, I just do not know. I just don't know. Words cannot explain. This is a tank. This is the hot feed, what we want. You know, I'm surprised I haven't gone through sealing. Wow. British Gas fit that. Look at the state of that. Shocking. Shocking. Could fall off and kill someone that. I'm going to have to do something with that. So, these are this is my hot feed, what I'm coming up through the wall there. I'm going to screw it along this joist so I can lag it. I'm going to come across there, then I'm going to go straight into the top of that tank. Then that is my hot feed for that bathroom. Cold, I'm going to come along there so I can lag it, go straight into the cold feed. That way, we've only got 2 pipes going into that bathroom. They're my 2 pipes. That's going to feed the bath, the sink, the toilet. That's all we need. The shower's going to be on a pump. We can't use that like that. So it's just we're going to have a look at that later. That's a later on in life. But this way, when this lad wants a new combi, and we fit him a combi and get rid of that tank. Look at that. Let's have a look at this safety. Safety advice note. Why not put a tank on properly? What's that about? It's on a 12mm board. Look at the state of that. That shouldn't be able to walk, but it's full of water. This one's look at that quality. Not quality at all. That's what they call quality. I must be supernatural. Do you know what I mean? But aside from that, all this not very good. So that's why 2 feeds from there, bish bash bosh, straight down to my end. I lag them 2 pipes up on the wall there. Be a lovely pipe down there, and then into that bathroom I'm just going to cut everything off and cap it out of the bathroom, out of my way. The pump there, I'm just going to most probably just rip that out. It's pointless. I don't even know what it's serving. But that is disgraceful. Absolutely disgraceful. What's that? What's that? Have I found leak? Oh, look at this. This is how they stop leaks. Look at what I've just found. Couldn't fix it, so they put a bucket underneath it. Unbelievable. Gonna have to have words with customer here. He needs to get back onto him. I'd ask for my money back. That's what I do. Ask for my money back. It's unbelievable. But apart from that, my job will be bang on. Thank you for watching MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. Cheers.